for real and trying to succeed, then maybe things will work. I guess that's the reason I quit talking to you, because I didn't want you to fall in love with someone that I'm not.
Now that is a bonfire. Sitting out here, relaxing, drinking a few mixed drinks, just sitting out here by a bonfire. Behind my dad's house, which you can't see because it's dark. And I don't want to turn the flash on. I know it's kind of purpley hazy in here. It's going to probably look pretty cool in being a video, but it's a nice little bonfire we got going on there. Don't want to get too close because the foam might melt. Oh, there's my dad. Yeah, he went home. I'm not sure. Well, he said he had the date or something he had to go for.
Don't get me wrong, I want to be together with you.
Can't see my brother either. Apparently the fire's not bright enough.
For one.
But, yeah, that's just what I'm doing right now.
I don't know, I'm probably wrong.
Alright, peace, y'all. Bye.